In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this JAMB Maths question under percentage increase and decrease. So basically, we have this one repeated JAMB Maths question for this topic. So the question says the cost of kerosene per liter increases from 60 naira to 85 naira. What is the percentage rate of increase? So guys, for this question, to get the percentage rate of increase, it's just like you're going to apply the formula for finding percentage error. So basically, to get the increase, you subtract 60 naira from 85. So 85 minus 60 will give us 25 naira. Alright, now to now get the percentage rate of increase, it now be this 25 naira over the normal or the initial amount, which is 60 naira, times 100 over 1. This will cancel this. Alright, so 2 into this 3, 2 into this 5. So we are left with, let's punch this on a calculator. So this will give us, we have 25 times 5. Okay, 125 divided by 3, which will give us 41.6%. So when you approximate this to the nearest whole number, you're going to have 42%. So the correct option in this question is option A, for 2%. That will be the percentage rate of increase. So it's as simple as this. This is how you can solve this kind of problem under percentage increase and decrease for your JAMB Maths. This is a repeated question, so take note of the solution and the right answer here. Hopefully there's something interesting from this video. This is the shortest video I have done so far in this JAMB Maths series. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's quit the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.